Welcome. In front of me is an Alcatel 3T10, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So to get started, let's hold power key and then select power off. When the device turns off, you want to hold power and volume up at the same time. So let's do that right now. Now when you see the Alcatel logo on the screen, let go of power key but keep holding volume up. So there we go, let go of the power key. And as you can see, this takes us to recovery mode. Now in this mode you will need to use volume keys to navigate up and down, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now quickly going over the options here that we have access to. We have reboot system now, which takes us to Android, reboot to bootloader, which takes us to obviously bootloader, and below that we have fast boot mode. And we can apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data and cache partition, mount system, view logs, run tests, and simply power off the device. So there we go, that's all the options. So I'm gonna now stick with the first option, which is already selected, confirm it with power key, and this will just take me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.